Gene Darcy and confirmed by the three Jacks.
Once there were three musicians, and their love life was just a long intermission, 'cause they never knew the proper things to say. All those lonely musicians, they could play hot licks, but were doomed to perdition. Yet the three Jacks, they would greet strange ladies this way.
Hey, good-looking, you visit into play. Hey, good-looking, who's booking all your dates? Hey, good-looking, you with the curly nose. Hey, good-looking, what goes? Are you young? Are you old? Are you single? Does your money fold, or does it jingle?